everyone. I bought a new camera, and after that, first time I went in this beautiful place in Mumbai that is called Maharashtra Nature Park. It is a beautiful nature park and sort of a jungle, but mini jungle, lots of trees and so many birds, beautiful. It is situated in Mumbai, in nearby to Sion, and I had so much wonderful experience exploring my new camera and making some beautiful photography of birds and little butterflies. So this camera that I have purchased is Canon EOS R7 with the RF 100 to 400 zoom lens, and it has a pretty good decent zoom, and the camera is really amazing camera. It is my first high end camera, and I loved the experience capturing photographs and video with it. Now I'm not so used to using any camera because this is my first such a big camera that I'm having DSLR, and my hand was pretty much shaking if you can see in the video. Every time that I was trying to capture some video, the camera footage was just getting shaky because my hand was not that much stable. But yeah, I know this was the first time that I was using the camera, and still I got to capture so many beautiful videos and photos. Hidden deep within the trees, there were so many tiny birds, and they were chirping here and there, and it was really difficult to capture them because they were moving constantly here and there, and when I was going near them to capture them, they were just flying away and going deep within the trees somewhere where the path could not reach. And yeah, later I asked my one of the photographer friends, like, how am I supposed to capture such birds? Then he said, you do not have to go directly near them. You just have to pretend that okay, you're not watching them, and go indirectly. Go from place A to B, B to C, very slowly, and then yeah, then they gain some trust, and they do let you capture their photographs. Now this little squirrel, I'm telling you, it was so much difficult to capture this little squirrel because it was so much moving here and there. But yeah, it was so much fun. I hope that you loved watching this video. This video is somehow short video, that not that much long, but I have managed to give a glimpse of all the things that I saw through my lens, and there are so many beautiful birds if you can see, and it was such a happy time observing nature through the camera lens.